apologising as ever. Yeah, look at that. See, Kev smash and in. Nice shot by Owen. No, maybe his shoulder is here. There's some power behind it.
Yeah.
No, I meant Owen's shoulder was damaged before.
Oh.
So it must have healed a bit. Makes him run about. Shame about that. He's out. Choice of shot from Simon. The second from Mark. Good shot from Tim next door. Nice smash. Didn't see it though, did you?
Wait, what?
Hmm?
No.
I don't know what the hell you're zoning out on, but you're not even watching the games, are you?
Yeah.
No, you're really not. Because I was talking about the one you were staring at, and yet you still didn't see anything. Damn, that dude got big. No, never mind. You got an angry man over there shouting at his teammate.
I think that's his son.
Huh?
That's his son.
Yeah, well, whichever. Still shouting at him. Gary. Right, Gary. I was only going to ask him if he had any pom-poms. He'd look funny as a cheerleader. Into the net. From, is that Tom or Ben? It's Ben, thank you. From Ben.
Video,
yeah? No, it must have gone over. I thought it went under. Oh well, my eyes are great apparently. Come on, 5. Oh.
No.
This might go to 3 games if we're not careful. Interesting low serve. Just out. Hmm?
9-4.
It's 9-4 at the moment. It's 10-4. That was in. Yeah. No, apparently it's live cheating.
Okay.
Okay, so 5-9. No, it's not even going in. Into it again. Tim left the net shot next door. What?
Okay.
It's actually quite cold in here. Aidan wasn't lying. Sitting still makes you cold. Good defense.